This system has the main objective to study and to train in testing and maintenance about the different types of pumps using water and oil. It's designed to industrial, mechanical, environmental engineering and water systems maintenance. It includes 4 three-phase pumps with different flow rates and types such as submersible, centrifugal, turbine or peripheral, and gear pump in water and oil applications, using bi-frequency converters and PLC located into a cabin, allowing speed and torque measurements. Each pump has its own flow meter and manometer to visually check the pump flow and pressure in real time. Multifunction measuring unit and HMI control panel allow to monitor and command the whole system. SCADA software for the supervision and data acquisition complete the system with possibility of remote monitoring. It also allows to perform many practices, such as characteristic curves of all 4 pumps, electric energy and the hydraulic power calculation of the pump's head, flow and torque measurements.